I've been working on getting this coffee pot cleaned. The clean light came on, and reading the instructions, it's been all over the board. But basically, what I do is I have a mark here called Clean Cycle Maximum Fill. So I will fill up with white vinegar to that line, and I turn the coffee pot on, and I push the clean button. And then there's a 30-minute timer that starts, and it does its thing. And it does it several times. And I found that after this half a pot gets emptied out, it's then going to say flush. Now, what I've learned is to flush, you open up the lid and add water. You don't remove this. Add another pot of water to this, and I'll usually take a paper towel, and I'll remove this after I know it's not dripping anymore. I'll remove the carafe, sit the paper towel on it to catch the drippings, take this over, dump it out, put it back, and then I push the clean button on that where it says flush. Well, I'm sorry, and we fill this up with fresh water and get it to go through its cycle. The light should shut off. If it's badly scaled, it may stay on and force you to do another clean cycle. So I'm on my second clean cycle now, so we're going to see what happens. All right, I filled the reservoir, just dumping water in the top because it says flush. I added it, and as soon as I added the reservoir, I took this carafe out, and I set this towel on it, on the base, and I dumped it. Put it back on. The light came back on. Continues to say flush. So I pushed the red light once, and now it is flushing. So it seems to be working okay. All right, now that it's been flushed, I went ahead and took the carafe off, and the light is now off. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run 2 pots of coffee through it of just water. I don't have anything in the basket now. And we're going to flush it out good. So we'll see how well it goes.